In this video, let's explore how to install packages using PHP Composer. We'll learn how to find and install third-party packages to enhance your PHP applications. Composer simplifies the process of managing dependencies, making your development workflow more efficient. So, what exactly are Composer packages? Packages are reusable PHP libraries and components that solve common development problems. Think of them as pre-built solutions that you can easily integrate into your projects. For example, database object relational mappers, also known as ORMs, HTTP clients, testing frameworks, and template engines are common types of packages. Now, where can you find these Composer packages? Packagist.org is the official repository for all Composer packages. It's a central hub where developers share and discover useful libraries. You can search for packages based on your project's needs, making it easier to find the right tools for the job. Let's look at the basic installation command. The command composer requires vendor/package downloads and installs packages automatically. Simply replace vendor/package with the actual package name you want to install. Composer will then handle the download and setup, making it readily available for your project. When installing packages, it's important to specify the version you need. Here are a few examples. Composer requires vendor/package: 2.0 installs a compatible version. Composer requires vendor/package: 1.4 installs a reasonably close version. Composer requires vendor/package: 2 uses a wildcard match to find the latest version within the 2.1 series. These symbols help you control which version of the package is installed. Sometimes you might need packages only during development, such as testing tools or debuggers. For these, use the --dev flag. For example, Composer requires --dev phpunit/phpunit. This tells Composer that the package is only needed for development purposes, keeping your production environment cleaner. It's also essential to know how to update and remove packages. To update all packages, use the command composer update. To update a specific package, use composer update vendor/package. If you no longer need a package, you can remove it with the command composer remove vendor/package. Here are some best practices to keep in mind when using Composer. Always commit composer.lock to ensure consistent package versions across different environments. Use specific version constraints to avoid unexpected updates breaking your code. Separate development dependencies using the --dev flag. Also, make sure to manage your composer.json and composer.lock files carefully. If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit codelucky.com for more such useful content.